Okay. Hi, I'm Zach, obviously. I'm here to do the Kool-Aid challenge where I take a packet of Kool-Aid, I put it on a spoon, and I put it in my mouth. Here goes nothing, guys. This was my friend Lexi's idea. She did it with her friend. Here's my spoon. Here's the Kool-Aid. Doesn't look like a lot. Oops. Here goes. Mm. Oh. Oh, fuck. Oh, God. Why is it black? Oh, that's disgusting. That is disgusting.